Yan.
Hello ma'am, I am Florelisa Salvador Valdez. Third year, Bungabong Cluster, 3E06. Introduction. The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot and The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald are two seminal works of modernist literature that explore the disillusionment and fragmentation of society in the aftermath of World War I. This essay will analyze how these works represent the theme of disillusionment and the collapse of social values, considering context, symbols, character development, and literary techniques. The Wasteland, published in 1922, is a modernist masterpiece that defies traditional narrative structures. The poem is a fragmented and elusive exploration of disillusionment, spiritual decay, and the search for meaning in a post-war world. Through a collage of voices, images, and cultural references, Eliot captures the sense of dislocation and disorientation that characterize the modern experience. The Great Gatsby, published in 1925, is a novel set in the roaring 20s of New York City. The story revolves around Jay Gatsby's obsession with winning back his lost love, Daisy Buchanan, and the corrupting influence of wealth and materialism. Through the eyes of Nick Carraway, the novel explores the empty, superficial lives of the wealthy elite and the disillusionment of the American dream. Representation of disillusionment. Both works represent disillusionment as a pervasive and debilitating condition. In The Wasteland, Eliot's speaker is a disillusioned, fragmented self, searching for meaning in a world that has lost its spiritual and cultural bearings. The poem's famous opening lines, April is the cruelest month breeding, lilacs out of the dead land, Eliot 1-2, set the tone for the work that is both a lament for what has been lost and a search for what might be redeemed. In The Great Gatsby, Fitzgerald represents disillusionment through the characters of Gatsby and Daisy. Gatsby's doomed pursuit of Daisy is a powerful symbol of the elusiveness of the American dream, while Daisy's emptiness and superficiality embody the corrupting influence of wealth and privilege. Nick Carraway's narrative voice, with its mixture of fascination and disgust, serves as a commentary on the moral bankruptcy of the wealth elite. Symbols and literary techniques. Both works employ symbols and the literary techniques to convey the theme of disillusionment. In The Wasteland, Eliot uses the symbol of wasteland itself, a desolate, barren landscape that reflects the spiritual decay of modern society. The poem's use of allusions from Shakespeare to Buddhist scriptures serves to underscore the sense of dislocation and disorientation that characterizes modern experience. In The Great Gatsby, Fitzgerald uses the symbol of the green light across the water to represent the elusive, unattainable goal of the American dream. The novel's use of imagery from the Valley of Ashes to the grand states of Long Island serves to create a sense of contrast between the old money and the new rich, highlighting the corrupting influence of wealth and materialism. Similarities and differences. While both work represent delusionment as the pervasive condition, there are significant differences in their tone and perspective. The Wasteland is a more introspective, personal work reflecting Eliot's and own spiritual crisis in search for meaning. The Great Gatsby, on the other hand, is a more social, satirical work reflecting Fitzgerald's fascination with excesses of superficialities of the wealthy elite. In terms of their representation of disillusionment, both works share a sense of despair and hopelessness. However, while The Wasteland offers a more bleak, nihilistic vision of modern society, The Great Gatsby suggests that there may be a way out of the cycle of disillusionment through the possibility of personal redemption and moral renewal. Historical and cultural context. Both works were written in the aftermath of World War I, a period of great social, cultural, and economic upheaval. The Wasteland reflects Eliot's own experiences as a young man in London during the war, while The Great Gatsby reflects Fitzgerald's fascination with excesses and superficialities of the wealth elite in New York City during the 1920s. The historical and cultural context in which these works were written had a profound influence on their authors' perspectives. The disillusionment and fragmentation of society that characterized the post-war period are reflected in the works' themes of disillusionment and the collapse of social values. Conclusion. In conclusion, The Wasteland and The Great Gatsby are two seminal works of modernist literature that explore the theme of disillusionment and the collapse of social values. Through their use of symbols, literary techniques, and character development, both works represent disillusionment as a pervasive and debilitating condition. While there are significant differences in their tone and perspective, both works share a sense of despair and hopelessness, reflecting the disillusion.